Hi, workshop hosts. If you run arts and craft workshops, here's a quick rundown on AUZi's policy for you. This is a combined public and product liability cover, which is designed to protect you if a participant gets injured in your session or you accidentally damage a hired venue, for example. The first step is to check whether your workshop fits this policy. So you'll see our list by scrolling down the landing page or clicking the link just below the policy title. It's good to know that we can also support things like the sip and paint style events. So if you're a host of an event and you would like your participants to bring their own alcohol, for example, you must hold an RSA. Or if it's being held in a licensed venue, then this may be acceptable. So you can note this on the policy application. This policy is quite flexible with the cover duration also, so you can buy it for 1 day, 3 months, 1 year. You'll see all the options when you get the quote. You can even add cover for the sale of your own handmade items. So please reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, get the quote, click buy now and step through the online policy application.